Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing today? Nice to see you all. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome. For today, we're going to look on the word wait and what does the Bible say about it. And I want to share with you, there are so many scriptures that I could share, but I want to share with you Psalm 27 and verse 14. Why God takes so long? In Jamaica, they say, what God takes so long? What make God take so long? What make God take so long for answer the prayer? As verse 14 of Psalm 27 says, wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and he shall strengthen thine heart. And it goes back to say, wait, I say on the Lord. There's something about waiting. Waiting on the Lord, it comes with a lot of pressure for some of us. We're like, God, why are you taking so long? Why is it so hard for me to wait? Why do I have to wait? You need to understand that in that season, God is preparing you for your blessing. You need to understand that in order for you to trust the process, you have to give up yourself, your own self-control. You have to think about God and what he is doing on his part, on his end. There are so many scriptures like Psalm 123 verse 2, in Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31. We need to understand that he will not leave us to suffer. God will not take you to a place where you won't find rest. God is amazing. He does everything except fail. But why is it so hard? Why can't I get what I'm asking for now? Why not now? Why do I have... It seems like forever. Expectations. You need to limit them. You need to trust the process. But you might say, Nisha, how can I trust the process? You don't know what I'm going through. Maybe you have it all figured out. When you trust God, you're telling him that he's all powerful. When you trust God, you're telling him that you are depending on him. You are not depending on yourself and the outcome of the situation by you trying to fix it. When you depend upon God, you're telling him that, hey, you have it in your hands. You are wise. You are sovereign, and I will trust you. Lastly, while you wait on the Lord, be positive. Positive effects will give a positive outcome. Not even though you might not get a yes to your answer. There are times where like, God, can I get this? Can I get that? And he says no. He will say three things I always tell myself, and I encourage others as well. God answers prayer. There are three ways. Yes, no, or wait. And most of the times, if not all the time, we don't want to hear the no and the wait. We want to hear the yes. Lazarus was sick and he died. Our Lord Jesus Christ went to see him 4 days after. 4 days late, they say. But hey, while we're waiting, God is working and we will see his glory. Just be faithful. You don't know what it is going to do. You don't know the cut and the twists and all the things that he has to be doing for you to get what you're asking for. Trust that God knows best because he does. He is all known. He's the omnipotent one and the uninitiated one. So my brothers and my sisters, the next time that you're praying for something, you haven't seen it yet. But I always encourage myself with Hebrews chapter 11 and verse 1. Faith is a substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. So my brothers and my sisters, let's go again. Psalm 27 verse 14. Wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and he shall strengthen thine heart. Wait, I say, on the Lord. This is Nisha, walking in divine purpose. Thank you for coming. Stay faithful. Hold on. You will be okay. God bless you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section, as well as share it with someone else. You don't know what you're doing for someone. You don't know what everyone is going through. You don't even know what your brothers or even a family member or co-worker going through. So you can share. And let me know what video you'd like to see me do next, or pray about, or request that I can come and share it with you. Thank you very, very much. Have a wonderful rest of the day, morning, or evening. Bye-bye.